Hello, I'm back again. We are doing small maintenance on the Polo Vivo. As now you know, I let customer buy their own parts. So they just called me, they said they have a issue, somebody checked the car already, so they got the stuff and they brought it for me to replace. Oh, okay. This is the filter pack, fuel, oil, the air conditioner. Spark plugs, Audi. I'm a range. Okay. Inner CVs. This should be outer CV. Okay. So it's outer CVs. Inner. Because now they have lower springs here. Yeah, I should be able to do it. Inner CVs, outer CVs, service. But I felt that the brakes are so low, the handbrake doesn't hold, so I'll also check the brakes. Well, as you are watching, please like, comment and share and subscribe so that this channel may grow. I'm trying to build it, so I need it to grow.
Driving dreams rolling out the door. Davis Motors, we give you more. From city streets to open roads, find your right, let the journey unfold. Start your engine, is waiting for you. With Debbie's motors, we help you drive, calling in right service true. The perfect car is waiting for you. My name is Davis Mogomo. Kerek kolay.